Welcome back with another video. In this video, I will show you how to check your GPU is running or not. It's very easy, let's get started. First, open Task Manager. Shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Now, click on Performance tab, and on the left side, select GPU. It will show your GPU information like GPU overview, performance, utilization, temperature, and which engines are being used. So, like if it's help and subscribe to my channel. Check out these powerful videos and unlock Windows secrets and join the top 1% of users. Boost PC speed and secrets of Windows.